Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card which is about describing a shop near where you live that you sometimes go to. So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak in this video. So if you are an English learner, you can watch this video till the end because I'm too a English learner and for improving myself, I do upload videos on English cue cards. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So yeah, if I talk about there are multiple shops where I visited multiple time in my life, and there are a lot of shops near my house. So there is one supermarket which I want to talk about where I frequently go twice or thrice in a week because there are groceries like things which I bought from that particular supermarket. Basically there are you will get a lot of like kitchen activities or like FMCG product where you can bought it, and you can use it for like your basically consumption basis. So there are a lot of snacks, or you can say a lot of food material, and along with that there is lot of you can say pulses and grains are there. And so it is like buying from supermarket is a reasonable comparison to the shops, because the shops do not have that much of discount. So yeah, I prefer to basically visit mart. Basically if I talk about like shops are very a door to door basis, but supermarket is little bit far, but that is a good option for me, and I try to basically visit there at least twice in a week, and I got a lot of discounted price in every product. So that's why I visited there, and there is a lot of things such as like points we got that, and because of that we basically use that uh, discount as well. So and along with that, if I talk about that is 15 minutes away from my house, and I basically visit there with my siblings sometime, and sometime alone, because there is a lot of works we need to do, and so while doing that we don't have time to like get sibling every day to day basis. So if I talk about like cue cards, so I've spoken around like 1 minute or 20 seconds. So that is the thing I have spoken, and I always try to basically speak for more than 2 minutes, but still if I didn't have like a stopwatch, I'm not able to basically perform for 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to basically record some sort of timer, and then after I'm going to stop myself. So and able to basically speak on lot more. Having a lot more content gives you like edge over like speaking more than 2 minutes. So you don't need to basically try to at least for speak for 1 point like 25 or 30 seconds, because the major goal is to speak more 2 minutes. So on this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful, and I hope you like going to be practice for your English speaking as well. So hope you enjoyed. Bye. Have a good day.